A warm welcome to you all. I am Drupi and you are watching Nelta's Talk Show. Today, on occasion of Teachers' Day, we have a renowned personality and a teacher by profession. Many of us know her for her great achievements. She is none other than Vaishali Purav from Sunshine Activity Hub. She is in the profession of teaching since last 15 years and she has been associated with Neltas from almost 2 years. We welcome you, ma'am, and we would like to know more about your journey as a teacher. So without wasting time, I will go ahead with some of the questions as everybody is waiting to listen to you. So my first question to you is, what inspired you to become a teacher?
Hello everyone. Thank you Drupi for inviting me on Nelta's live talk show on this platform. I'm highly obliged. I'm really very happy to be on this show. Answering this question of yours, what inspired me to become a teacher? I can say I have numerous reasons, to give you to why I wanted to be a teacher. But I feel the best reason to be a teacher is that I wanted to have a positive and inspiring impact on children's lives. And I feel, that a teacher can achieve this by being kind, caring, and passionate about her work. I feel a teacher plays a very, very important role in molding a child's character and wanted to make them comfortable, make them fall in love with, you can say, with all the hard subjects which they face, difficulties wherein they feel they are not answered, maybe by their parents also, and there a teacher plays a very important role, and that is what inspired me to be a teacher.
Great. My next question is, why did you choose this particular subject to teach? Any particular reasons for this?
Well, choosing the subject in particular is like, I am a Gujarati. So when I was small, learning English was a little bit difficult, and my parents were from vernacular medium and they always wanted, so they kept me in a convent school and they always wanted that I should speak very good English. And believe me, I had very good teachers who really taught me something out of the world, out of the box. And so I wanted to do something for these kids also. So it's such a great feeling when you see that spark of curiosity, interest in your children. And I enjoy teaching this Nelta's Leap program because I feel it is too structured and powerful and well designed program for children, which gives them a voice, which is very, 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 very important and powerful thing, which can influence people and can instigate to make a difference, you can say, also indicates the world to change, people to change their mindset, because English is a you can say a global language, and that is how I thought of teaching Nelta's Leap program. And that is how I came into contact with Vikram sir and Shalmali, and thank you for making Malad as their center.
Oh, that was really great. My next question to you goes, due to the lockdown, how has the technology made teaching more simple or difficult? What are your views on this, ma'am?
This question, see, everything has its pros and cons. It was difficult for us, yes, definitely, because we have shifted completely from offline class to online class, so we had to completely unlearn many things. So definitely each and every platform has its pros and cons, but then if you ask my opinion, I feel virtual learning is okay, but there is no replacement for classroom. I feel a teacher-student relationship is well established in a classroom. So if you ask, this is ठीक है, like we had to carry on our studies या जो भी है syllabus complete करना था, and that is why we are into this virtual learning. But if you ask my opinion, I would definitely prefer a classroom study. So it is okay. दोनों चीज़ है, pros and cons. So for me, it was okay. Carrying on.
Amazing. My next question to you. Do you have certain teaching style or method that you swear by? What are your views for this, ma'am?
Hey, no, I don't have any particular teaching style, and you know me so well. ऐसा कुछ भी particular style का कुछ भी नहीं है. It's such a difficult question you ask, यार. क्या आंसर दूँ मैं? Any certain teaching style का यार? Okay. I feel it's all about passion, as I said earlier. It's all about passion. Know your student well, just like you know your subject. Create a safe and better environment, learning environment for your children, for your students. And lastly, I would say a good student and teacher relationship is very, very crucial. It plays a very, very important role in creating you can say a good teaching style, as you are asking me. Yeah, yaar, Drupi, as it is, I am not prepared and you are asking me such questions. Well, I feel this is only my teaching style, my teaching mantra. And yes, definitely I have I would say I am very lucky to have this relationship, this love relationship between me and my students. So yeah, that's my mantra.
Okay, ma'am. One more last question for you. If you could pass on any wisdom to your students, what would you like to share?
Well, some words of wisdom for my students is okay. Do not take your parents or teachers or your loved ones for granted. Then getting a bad grade is completely okay. It is not the end of the world, but not trying is not correct. That is not done. You need to try. And definitely take help of your teachers whenever it is required. Teachers, आपके elders, whoever you trust. Okay, and stress is a part of life, but it should never become a way of living your life. So I feel that if you follow these rules and if you put this completely into your mind, in fact not only students, any elders also, if they follow this rule, definitely I feel that life would be much easier. Yeah. A small message to all the parents from me. Teachers do more than teach, and their impact extends far beyond the classroom. As a teacher, she plays many roles, like you can say, not only of an educator, but she is also a mentor, a confidant, and a friend to your child. So trust your teachers, love them, because they only want these things from the parents. That is, I feel your trust and your love, and definitely your respect towards her. Thank you very much, Drupi, for inviting me on this show. And I don't know how this would go. I mean, how this interview would go and what would be the impact of my words. But I definitely want people to know what a teacher is all about. Thank you so much for having me on your show. Love you all. Take care. And yes, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Love you. Take care.
Thank you so much, Vaishali ma'am. It was great to have you on our show. Thanks for sharing your journey of teacher with us.